I'm Neve Dedia's mom. My son is an 8th grader, belongs to CNMS school in Villaparle. He's been a student in RFL since around 4 to 5 years now. Even my elder son Neom Dedia was a part of RFL since quite a few years now, and we love RFL for a reason that when Neve goes for competitions, there is enrichment, there is growth, for his mind, the way he's been thinking, the way he's been tackling things as a team, the stability or, to work under pressure, to have that patience when required, okay? So it's like a package that the RFL team has been providing to the students, we feel. That comes with the hard-working coaches who are present here, their skills, they are very efficient, so we see like long hours at RFL, right from early morning to late night. The coaches are available and the students are willing to come themselves. Okay, yes, academics he manages. Why? Because Neve has been very passionate about RFL, so he loves to, be here, work on his, robot, and at the same time, in spite of examinations going on in school, he happily, does a combination of both.
So Neve has participated in 2 WROs till now. Last year he participated in the elementary category and he stood second nationally. It was a really proud moment for us. Like, it was his first competition he was participating and he stood second nationally. It was an online event, so of course the enthusiasm was slightly missing because everyone was remote. This year he is participating in the junior category and he has qualified from the regionals and going to nationals. So we are super excited and he's learning a lot by interacting with people, his own team, other teams, at RFL. It's a truly wonderful experience.
RFL has also expanded the horizons in his mind, It has opened up a lot of things in his own mind. So that way he is starting to think and coming up with new ideas and sharing with us. As he said, he's not decided what he wants to do. But the things are coming from Neve himself, so that independent learner, as we call it, that thing I think Neve has got from here, because there's nothing much that the parents can do even if they want to. The children are by themselves. Why RFL? Because there have been so many courses, of course competitions are the most thrilling experience. There is this adrenaline rush that even students and the viewers like us would have in every competition. But I'm also talking about courses for new parents, which RFL has. A lot of interesting courses one could pick up on their way, and they themselves are a good, very good learning experience.
One of the things I think RFL don't treat this as a business. Because a lot of times all the coaching classes, they have like this many sessions, finish, done, do that. So at RFL, sessions are there, but they make sure students has learned. A passion, they develop a passion in the students to learn rather than finishing up the sessions. So that is what attracted us a lot to RFL. And learning is a lot because their focus is on how much child can absorb and learn.
Also, then they have always had flexible hours for the children, because children are doing academics and in fact they're doing a lot. But RFL was always open, always available to say, okay, when can you come, do come. So I think, they are offering more hours than what fees they would charge, I would say. They're always there, to have your child in and work. If you want to work, come here. Again, why RFL? Because it's still, as he said, my son has participated last year in the competition. Even today, this year he's going to go. So every year is a new experience. It's like a thrill and a new thing altogether. It never becomes monotonous. It never feels like going to a class and coming back for the sake of it. So it's the willingness of the coaches here that attracts the students, and the students are taking it up. They are learning, I can tell that. They are learning by themselves and growing. So I think that's the main reason we are taking it.
Yeah.